Challenging heat death. A dynamic perspective on the universe's evolution. By Ryan Carl Daly. aka Essay on Relative Gravity to describe the mechanics of the universe. Challenging heat death. A dynamic perspective on the universe's evolution. For those who believe in heat death, the idea that the universe will eventually reach a state of maximum entropy where no energy differentials remain to sustain motion, work, or life offers a bleak outlook. This classical thermodynamic prediction suggests an inevitable decline into cosmic stillness. However, relative gravity (RG) and relative equilibrium provide an alternative perspective, one where the universe is not merely winding down but self-regulating and evolving through dynamic equilibrium cycles. 1. The universe is a dynamic system. Traditional thermodynamics assumes a closed system where energy dissipates irreversibly. But what if the universe is not a closed system in the way we traditionally define it? RG suggests that gravity itself is not a static force but a dynamic, oscillatory interaction that continuously redistributes energy through gravitational tidal waves, equilibrium shifts, and large-scale cosmic harmonics, rather than a one-way descent into entropy. The universe exhibits self-organizing principles from planetary orbits to galactic rotation patterns that indicate a deeper equilibrium-driven process at play. 2. Gravitational equilibrium and cyclic renewal. Heat death assumes that once energy gradients disappear, no work can be done. However, in rebased cosmology, gravitational structures do not merely dissipate, they cycle and oscillate. Black holes are spatial induction engines. Instead of swallowing all matter into singularities, black holes reach a dynamic equilibrium, emitting energy through jets, gravitational waves, and possible white hole counterparts. Intergalactic equilibrium. Instead of galaxies dispersing indefinitely, equilibrium zones within cosmic filaments suggest that gravitational wave interactions prevent total dissipation. Tidal wave mechanics at galactic scales. Just as ocean tides repeat due to equilibrium shifts, gravitational waves within galaxy clusters may restore and redistribute energy over cosmic time. If these oscillations persist indefinitely, the universe never truly reaches a thermal death, but rather continues cycling energy in different forms and dimensions. 3. Energy redistribution at the largest scales. Rather than a simple thermodynamic end, RG suggests that energy remains stored, released, and reconfigured across multiple layers of cosmic evolution. What we see as decay may simply be part of a longer cosmic renewal process, one that extends beyond our current observational limits. By Ryan Carl Daly 2. Cookbook for the Universe. If gravitational wave harmonics regulate cosmic structures, then we are not watching a universe fading into irrelevance, but one transforming through equilibrium shifts. Heat death may be an illusion caused by an incomplete understanding of gravity's role in long-term cosmic evolution. The alternative, a self-regulating universe, not a dying one. The heat death model assumes the universe has no underlying structure that resists entropy. But if gravity itself is a self-regulating, oscillatory force that maintains equilibrium across cosmic time, then what seems like entropy's final victory may simply be a phase shift in the universe's longer dynamical evolution. Instead of an ending, the universe may be continuously redefining itself through gravitational equilibrium, alternating currents, and tidal waves that sustain cosmic motion indefinitely. At Amazon, a.co.dfsqw. Ryan Carl Daly's works, including the Cookbook for the Universe and Essay on Relative Gravity, stand as groundbreaking contributions that challenge and expand our understanding of physics, gravity, and existence itself. Through a fusion of rigorous scientific inquiry and innovative theoretical frameworks, Daly presents a by Ryan Carl Daly 3. aka Essay on Relative Gravity to describe the mechanics of the universe, unifying vision of the cosmos that transcends classical and contemporary physics. His writing invites readers on a journey of intellectual exploration, offering fresh insights into gravity, time, and the fundamental forces that shape our universe. At the core of Daly's works is the theory of relative gravity, a revolutionary concept that redefines how we perceive gravitational interactions. Unlike Newton's static force or Einstein's warped spacetime, Daly envisions gravity as a dynamic, interactive phenomenon, akin to alternating currents. His object-oriented approach introduces a systematic model where all forces, gravity, electromagnetism, strong and weak, share a common origin. Theory is theory by design. Object-oriented design allows theory to be extendable, Orion Daly's revolutionary new theory of relative gravity explains in an object-oriented way how the universe is put together. The fundamental universe is viewed like a plasma of alternating currents. Symmetry is conserved through polymorphism of inherent properties. Given a wavelength of some deep time, symmetry in properties is not at the exclusion of randomness. As derivatives, the four known forces, the electro-strong and weak, electromagnetism and gravity, are considered to share symmetry where differentiated by their context. The relationship of dark and light matter is seen as that of impedance where particles to galaxies, or any other body between, are first viewed as manifolds having common and inherent properties. Particles can have opposite charge, and harmonics of vectors for strings with wavelengths subject to distortion. Bodies are considered skewable and cumulative with respect to others within their context. Gravity is viewed as their fundamental relationship through superposition. This framework provides a novel way to understand celestial mechanics, particle evolution, and even the nature of black holes. Daly's writing is not just theoretical, but deeply philosophical, pushing the boundaries of how we conceptualize time and matter. He explores the implications of relative mass, spatial time, and the delta phenomenon, offering explanations that bridge quantum mechanics with astrophysical phenomena. His meticulous approach ensures that even the most complex ideas remain accessible, making his books an essential read for scientists, philosophers, and curious minds eager to grasp the mechanics of the universe. Beyond physics, Daly's work extends into the realms of governance, human rights, and economic systems, as seen in the New Deal 2.0. His ability to synthesize scientific rigor with societal applications reflects a rare intellect that seeks not just to understand the world, but to improve it. Whether through theoretical physics or political philosophy, his works embody a commitment to truth, transparency, and the advancement of knowledge. For those seeking to explore the next frontier of scientific thought, Daly's books offer a profound and transformative experience. His ability to weave together abstract principles with real-world applications makes his work indispensable for anyone fascinated by the grand design of the cosmos. Dive into the Cookbook for the Universe, Essay on Relative Gravity, and the New Deal 2.0, and prepare to see reality through an entirely new lens. By Orion Carl Daly IV.